Show us your stuff, man. You were just dancing. Pachum, pachum, pachum. Da 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 Say hello to Grandma and Grandpa. Say hi. Hello. Yeah. You want time to get out, huh? Time to get out? Feeling a little caged in? You usually like it in there. It's your special spot. Because you can gnaw on the edge there, huh? It's not a cage, it's a teething toy. All right, say goodbye.